Good day, everyone. Today I'm thrilled to talk about how new technologies are transforming education, especially in the field of language learning. Over the years, advancements like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality have revolutionized classrooms, making learning more engaging, inclusive, and effective. Imagine a classroom where AI helps tailor lessons to every individual, VR takes students on immersive trips to foreign countries, and AR makes textbooks come to life. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is not the future, it's happening now. Today we'll dive deep into these three technologies, explore their benefits, challenges, and future prospects. Part 1. Artificial Intelligence in Education. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI, which has become a game changer in education. AI-powered tools like Duolingo and Babbel adapt lessons based on the learner's performance. For instance, if a student struggles with verb conjugations, the app provides additional exercises and examples. AI doesn't just stop at personalized learning. Chatbots like the ones in Google Translate or apps such as Replika allow students to practice speaking skills in real time. These bots provide instant feedback on grammar and pronunciation, which helps students improve faster and with more confidence. Here's an example. A friend of mine wanted to improve her English. Using an AI-powered chatbot, she practiced daily conversations for 3 months. By the end of it, she was more fluent and confident speaking in public. This accessibility is what makes AI so revolutionary. Part 2. Virtual Reality in Classrooms. Now let's move to virtual reality, or VR. VR creates immersive environments where students can experience scenarios that feel real. Picture this. A student learning French can visit a virtual Paris, order food at a cafe, and interact with locals all without leaving their classroom. Studies show that VR boosts student engagement and retention rates. By learning in context, students better understand cultural nuances and develop communication skills. Imagine using VR to visit historical sites, attend international conferences, or even explore outer space, all while practicing a new language. One company leading the way is Mondly VR, which offers interactive lessons where learners can role-play in everyday scenarios. This kind of experiential learning is not just effective, it's exciting. Part 3. Augmented Reality in Language Learning. Augmented reality, or AR, complements VR by adding interactive digital layers to the real world. AR apps like Mondly AR project virtual tutors into your environment, creating a blended learning experience. For example, you can scan a real-world object, like a menu, in a foreign language, and AR translates it instantly. This real-time assistance builds vocabulary and confidence. AR also enhances traditional learning methods. Imagine pointing your phone at a textbook diagram and watching it animate or explain itself. It's like having a teacher in your pocket. One standout example is the IKEA Place app, which isn't designed for language learning, but demonstrates how AR helps visualize and interact with objects. Adapt this concept to education, and the possibilities are endless. Benefits and challenges. These technologies offer numerous benefits. First, they make learning more engaging and personalized. Students can work at their own pace, revisit lessons as needed, and interact with content in unique ways. However, there are challenges too. Not every school can afford VR headsets or develop AR-compatible materials. Training teachers to use these tools effectively also takes time and resources. Additionally, there's the digital divide. Students in rural or low-income areas may not have access to such technologies. To overcome these barriers, governments and organizations must work together to fund educational technology and make it accessible to all. Schools should also provide training for teachers, ensuring they feel confident using these tools. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the potential of these technologies is limitless. AI continues to evolve, making virtual tutors smarter and more intuitive. VR devices are becoming cheaper, and AR is being integrated into everyday devices like smartphones and smart glasses. Imagine a classroom where a student wears lightweight AR glasses that display translations or explanations as they listen to a foreign language lecture, or a virtual school where students from around the world interact in a shared virtual space, learning collaboratively. These innovations are not far off, they're already in development. In conclusion, technologies like AI, VR, and AR are reshaping education as we know it. They bring the world into the classroom, making learning more engaging, accessible, and personalized. However, to fully realize their potential, we must address challenges like cost, access, and teacher training. So I'll leave you with a question: how can we, as educators and learners, ensure these technologies are used to their fullest potential? Thank you for your attention.